Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to see black person in your Facebook. Maybe you want to know who the person you blocked on your Facebook account because you forgot already. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can see your black person on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this homepage. And then now, to see the person you blocked on Facebook, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this page. What you need to do is to scroll down and you'll see this settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button. And then under settings and privacy, you'll see these settings. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you'll see in settings and privacy, the preferences, and in the audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, you'll see in here the blocking. Simply tap on this blocking to see the person you block on Facebook. As you can see, once you block someone, that person can no longer see things you post on your timeline, or tag you and also invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. This doesn't include apps, games, or groups you both participated in. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to see the person you block on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to see the person you block on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.